The Philippine National Police or PNP found out that former Negros Oriental Governor Pride Henry Teves submitted an spurious document in the application to obtain firearms license. PNP spokesperson Police Colonel Jean Fajardo said this is the reason why the PNP Firearms and Explosives Office or FEO canceled his firearm license and firearms registration. Colonel Fajardo added that based on the PNP FEO database, former Governor Teves have 28 firearms under his name.
Mas makakabuti po na i-surrender na po niya yung mga 28 po niya na barel na nakarehistro po sa database po ng PNP. Mas makakabuti po na ngayon na na-revoke na po yung kanyang LTAP, yung kanyang firearms registration as well as permit to carry. Mas makakabuti po at maganda naman po at may intention po siyang i-surrender ito mga baril na ito.
Meanwhile, the PNP also said that Negros Oriental 3rd District Representative Arnolfo Teves Jr. failed to surrender the 6 out of 18 firearms under his name. One of the said firearm is a sniper rifle that was found hidden in the creek inside the HDJ Tolong compound last Monday.
Uunahin po muna ma'am yung pag-return po muna ito ng search warrant doon sa issuing courts at matapos po itong proseso na ito, lahat po, hindi lamang po itong sniper courts na huling na-discover, lahat po ng mga baril na na-recover po doon po sa premises po ng compound will be submitted for ballistics and cross-matching examination to determine if any of these firearms were used dito nga po sa kaso po ni Governor Digamo o in any other case for that matter po.
Colonel Fajardo said the authorities continue its search inside the more than 50 hectares of HDJ Tolong compound. Leia Ilagan, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.